So if God has, you know, put on your heart to go visit a friend who's hurting and you're all of a sudden hit with this, well, my words are always messy. I'm going to mess up. I'm going to offend them rather than hurt them. Then that paralyzes us and we can't do what God's asked us to do.
Mm. Yeah, that's so, so true. So, yeah, so believing that lie changes even the choices we make each day. Like you said, whether we're going to go help the friend or not, if we don't feel like we have value, we're not going to try because we're just going to mess it up. Or
Mhm.
or even as we mother or whatever role we have, right? Like, oh, I'm a single woman because I just don't have any value,
Mhm.
or I'm divorced because, or I'm whatever. We can add that label that just keeps us down instead of helps us flourish and grow into the people God's created us to be.
Yes. Yes.